Hey everybody, what's going on, y'all? Coming to you with another history secret. Y'all check this out.
Coming to you, Texas, right down the Chisholm Trail, right here. Right down there with 5,000 black cowboys who never made it to the Hollywood Western. Did you know that? Huh? In this same group, there was one black outlaw. His name was Deadwood Dick, who claimed his soul brothers were Bat Masterson, Billy the Kid, and Jesse James. Deadwood Dick used to ride into the saloon, order two drinks, one for himself and one for his horse. And here's his horse, drinking a shot of red eye with a straw. And how about the 186,000 blacks who fought on the Union side during the Civil War? 38,000 died. How about Teddy Roosevelt's charge up San Juan Hill? It wasn't just the Rough Riders who made it. 4 black regiments went right up with Teddy. They didn't get lost going up the hill. They got lost in the history books. Texas.
Now that's deep. A lot of things they did and got missed in the history books. But that's just one fun fact. Anyway, if you listen to my channel, please like and subscribe so I can be able to put more info like this. And also I do share where I get this information from. So if you want to check it out yourself, the link is on the video. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.